Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this beautiful unit right here, guys. So it's been a while since I've worked with this company, guys. This is Bestlacewigs.com. So around the time that I started doing wig reviews, I did work with this company way back when. So the wigs from this company are super upgraded, guys. This unit is very cute. For my classy girls out there that want something very natural and realistic, this is the unit for you. Now starting off, guys, when I got this unit, I was a little bit worried about the back. A lot of the times when the companies create these pixie style wigs, they don't really get the back right. But as far as the back on this unit, guys, the back is perfect. It's a good length. This hairstyle, when you see it on the website, it does look like it's like this. But I did go ahead and just tuck this behind and just kind of fold the curls back like this. This wig, guys, I'm going to read the details. I feel like I'm jumping into all the specs and stuff of things I like. But let me get into the actual specs of this unit. So this is the HD Lace Pixie Cut Silky Straight Bob wig, guys. This one is a clean hairline. So you guys know all these types of hairlines that are super upgraded. It's either a clear hairline, a clean hairline, but it's very, very realistic, as you guys can tell. Now this unit, guys, is a natural black color. It is 8 inches long and it's 100% density, which I can say it is a true 100% density. It is the perfect amount of hair, guys, not too much. You can go ahead and do like a little bit of a feathered bang. Obviously you guys saw that I did go ahead and move the part on this unit. When I got this unit, the part was like about right here, so I curved it off a little bit, guys, just to kind of open it up to give me more of a kind of like a little bang like this. I think this style looks so good. Just tuck it behind your ear like this and it just gives guys, it gives just like such a nice glam short hairstyle. If you've never tried short hair before and you want to try short hair, this is definitely a nice wig to start off with. I didn't do baby hairs on this unit just because I wanted to look real. Like I said, not all the time you're gonna be sporting baby hairs, baby hairs, baby hairs, baby hairs like that. It's just unrealistic, guys. So I wanted to show you guys the hair without baby hairs. I did go pull a little bit of the hair out here. I didn't cut or anything or kind of like mold it into baby hairs, but just kind of like a little bit of a side piece hanging out, just so you guys guys can kind of see like the natural effect right there. But it's very nice, guys. You can play with the bang. The hairline looks very, very realistic. I would turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. But overall, guys, it's a very, very nice kind of like glam look, effortless look. Tuck it behind your ear. You have that natural kind of side feel. You guys see that? The cut that they did on this unit, they did a really, really nice job on the cut. 8 inches is the perfect length. Like I said, I was a little worried about the back because sometimes they can never nail the back. It's always too bulky in the back. But this one is the perfect fit. I just adjusted the straps on the back and that was that. So guys, if you're looking for a nice little sexy glam wig for the summertime, it's the type of wig you could wear without having all that hair on your back. Very simple, glam, and ready to go. I did do like a light little curl in the front right here and just bump the back just to kind of make sure that everything was, you know, in place and very clean and nice. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. I think this unit is definitely a banger for the summertime. I will leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.